Welcome to another Gauging Gadgets Garmin Forerunner 255 tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to perform a reset of your Garmin Forerunner 255. So I'll be going over all the different ways you can perform a reset of your Garmin Forerunner 255. This includes a factory reset, removing all the data from the watch, which can be useful if you want to sell it or maybe return it. And then they also have options for resetting your totals for races or activities, deleting all the activities off the watch, or even changing all the settings back to their default state. So to get started with performing a reset of your Garmin Forerunner 255, the first thing we need to do is open up the menu. And we can do that by simply holding the up button just for a second or two. When the menu opens, hit the up button again, and we want to get to System and select System with the Start or Stop button up here in the top right. Once in System, hit the up button again, and then just keep hitting it until you get to Reset and select Reset. As you can see in here, we have several different options. First, Reset Default Settings. This will change all the settings on the watch. Maybe you turned off something or changed a setting and it's not working the way you want it to work. You can go in here and it'll reset it to the default settings and fix any issues from that. After that, we can select to delete all activities. This will remove all the activities that have been recorded on your Garmin Forerunner 255. After that, we have reset totals. This will reset all the totals on the watch for your stair count, your mileage with running, or any other activities. It'll reset that back to 0. And then finally, we have delete data and reset settings. This is how you perform a factory reset of your Garmin Forerunner 255. And that's the one I'm going to show you in this video. So I'll select that. Just to let you know that this includes all of the settings, all the data, including the activities, and any music you have on the watch. Go ahead and select that, confirm that with the Start or Stop button, and then it will reboot the watch, and you will have to go through the setup process just like you did when you first got the watch. So give it a minute. It'll first show the gear here, and then it will reboot the watch, and we'll have to go through the setup process again. And keep in mind, if you're not sure how to set up the Garmin Forerunner 255, check the description because I do have a tutorial going over that. All right, so that's how you perform a reset of your Garmin Forerunner 255. If you have any questions about this, leave a comment below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. If you'd like to see more Garmin Forerunner 255 tutorial videos, check the links in the description. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel, Gauging Gadgets, for more gadget reviews and tech tutorials. Thank you so much for watching.